Neptune boasts the most extreme winds in our solar system, with speeds reaching up to 1,300 miles per hour. This is much faster than any other planet's atmospheric winds. These incredible speeds are somewhat of a mystery to scientists, especially considering Neptune receives only a fraction of the Sun's energy compared to planets closer to the Sun. The prevailing theory suggests that Neptune's internal heat, rather than solar energy, might be driving these intense wind speeds. These supersonic winds whip around the planet, creating massive storms and dark spots in Neptune's atmosphere, making it a planet of dynamic and extreme weather.